Hey everyone, do you know where these animals live?
Humpback whale.
You got it, in the ocean.
Hippopotamus.
Yeah, in the desert.
Jackrabbit.
Yes, in the tundra.
Jackal.
Yeah, in the desert.
Isopod.
You got it, in the ocean.
Iguana.
That's right, in the jungle.
Lynx.
Yes, in the tundra.
Jaguar.
That's right, in the jungle.
Jellyfish.
You got it, in the ocean.
Kangaroo.
Yeah, in the desert. Hey everyone, let's help Big the Yeti name our favorite animals using the letters of the alphabet.
A. Anglerfish. B. Beluga whale. C. Cuttlefish. D. Dugong. E. Elephant seal.
F. Flying fish.
G. Great white shark. H. Humpback whale. I. Isopod. J. Jellyfish. K. Krill. L. Lobster. M. Manta ray. N. Needlefish. O. Octopus. P. Pelican. Q. Quillfish. R. Ross seal. S. Swordfish. T. Turtle. U. Umbrella slug. V. Vaquita. W. Wolffish. X. Xiphosaura. Y. Yeti crab. Z. Zebra shark.
Great job! What was your favorite animal? Hey there, let's play a game. Can you spot the difference? Hey everyone, do you know where these animals live?
Goose.
Yes, in the tundra.
Firefly.
That's right, in the jungle. Flying fish. You got it, in the ocean.
Ferret.
Yeah, in the desert.
Husky.
Yes, in the tundra.
Giraffe.
Yeah, in the desert.
Great white shark.
You got it, in the ocean.
Gorilla.
That's right, in the jungle.
Ibex.
Yes, in the tundra. Hummingbird. That's right, in the jungle. Hey everyone, let's help Big the Yeti name our favorite animals using the letters of the alphabet.
A. Arctic tern. B. Bison. C. Coyote. D. Deer. E. Eagle. F. Fox. G. Goose. H. Husky. I. Ibex. J. Jackrabbit. K. King crab. L. Lynx. M. Mammoth. N. Narwhal. O. Ox. P. Penguin. Q. Quail. R. Reindeer. S. Snowy owl. T. Turkey. U. Georgia. V. Vulture. W. Walrus. X. Xanthlamys. Y. Yak. Z. Zushan.
Great job! What was your favorite animal?
Once upon a mountain, there lived a Yeti who loved snow. A really big Yeti who really loved snow. Did I mention he was big? Yeah, big. That's his name. Hi, Hi, Big. The only thing Big liked more than snow was snowboarding. But before Big was big, he was little. A little big. Big would slide on the snow all day with his family. But once he got a little bigger, he was ready for adventure. So Big went to follow his dream and moved to the big city. Don't worry, his family still sends him plenty of snow cones to enjoy. Big made so many new friends and taught them how to have fun in the snow. It was great. But one day, everything changed. The birds were chirping, the sun was shining, and the snow was gone. What's a snow yeti to do without snow? Big had an idea. If winter was over, he would build his own winter. That's right. Big built his very own snowy home, Big Snow. I said, Big Snow, where the snow shines brightest, the hot cocoa flows like water, and the winter fun never ends. Big the Yeti knew he was right where he was meant to be.
Hi there! Can you help Big with this puzzle? Let's put our favorite animals in the right spot. Pelican.
Turtle. Xiphosaura. Lobster. Swordfish. Flounder. Ross seal.
Hermit crab.
Beluga whale. Queen conch. Jellyfish. Elephant seal.
Great job! What was your favorite animal? Hey everyone, do you know where these animals live? Bison. Yes, in the tundra.
Armadillo.
Yeah, in the desert.
Anglerfish.
You got it, in the ocean.
Anaconda.
That's right, in the jungle. Bat. That's right, in the jungle.
Beluga whale.
You got it, in the ocean.
Badger.
Yeah, in the desert.
Deer.
Yes, in the tundra.
Camel.
Yeah, in the desert.
'Twas a dark and spooky Halloween night. Big the Yeti, Bigosaurus Rex, was out trick-or-treating with his buddies Danny and Bertle. The three friends loved dressing up for Halloween and loved trick-or-treating even more. You see, Big has a bit of a sweet tooth. Bigosaurus Rex, Danny, and Bertle were collecting a lot of treats. Some houses even had the super-sized candy bars. Trick-or-treating was going great. Until a giant, red dinosaur appeared. Before the T-Rex could say anything, Big, Danny, and Bertle hightailed it out of there. But because they're Halloween professionals, they still managed to trick-or-treat very quickly along the way. The Tyrannosaurus Rex was closing in on them, and they thought they were goners. Big and his friends ran all the way to the end of the street, where a spooky, scary, haunted house stood tall in the moonlight. They looked at the house, and then they looked at the giant dinosaur gaining on them. They had to hide. So they ran inside, and the door slammed behind them. It was very dark and very quiet. But only for a moment, because it turned out to be their friend's Halloween surprise party. Suddenly, Big heard a knock at the front door. It was the giant red dinosaur. Turns out, the red T-Rex was heading to the party the whole time. And he was just excited to show Big his costume. He was dressed as a snowboarding Yeti. Happy Halloween from Big the Yeti and friends.
Hey there, let's play a game. Can you spot the difference? Hi there! Can you help Big with this puzzle? Let's put our favorite animals in the right spot.
Anglerfish. Dolphin. Clownfish. Pufferfish. Anchovy. Umbrella slug. Needlefish. Zebra shark. Quillfish. Octopus. Flying fish.
Great job! What was your favorite animal? Hey everyone, do you know where these animals live?
Cuttlefish.
You got it! In the ocean!
Capybara.
That's right! In the jungle!
Eagle.
Yes! In the tundra! Dragonfly! That's right! In the jungle!
Dugong.
You got it! In the ocean!
Dingo.
Yeah! In the desert!
Fox.
Yes! In the tundra!
Elephant.
Yeah! In the desert!
Elephant seal.
You got it! In the ocean! Egret! That's right! In the jungle!
You can find more Big the Yeti videos on YouTube by searching BIGYETI, Big the Yeti. Don't forget to subscribe.